Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys today's daily combination for your PixelTap by Pixelverse. Check out the link in the description so that you'll be able to join my Telegram channel where I talk about even more airdrops that are actually $0. So if you're joining for the first time, click the link in the description where you'll be able to join this Telegram app right now. But if you're already an old user, go ahead and just click on Launch Bot or click on Fight for Supply. We're actually doing this so we can actually get additional points for the day. By doing so, we're ranking up on our game. So from here right now, just close up all this notification that pops up on your screen. Click on Fight. And from here, all you need to do is to upgrade your bot one level ahead. By doing so, you're actually increasing your daily allocation. And by doing so, you're also going to be increasing your daily combo reward for that day. This is what I do every day to maximize my daily combo. And after doing this, I'm just going to go ahead and you can see right now it's increased. Okay, so from here, I'm just going to go ahead and click on claim. After claiming my coins, I'm going to go over to the reward tab and get my daily reward. And after getting the daily reward, I will get the daily combo. This is what you guys have been waiting for. So here is the daily combo. I'm going to show you guys the combination of the robots to give you 100% of your earnings here. So as you can see, we're going to be getting 12 million pixel points. Just follow exactly the robot that I'm choosing. You can see that's the second one. The third one would be this one right here. Okay, so after you've added the third one and the fourth one would go, please be very careful because if you miss one, your allocation will reduce. Go ahead and click on check. And as you can see, we got all our allocation for the day. This is going to be pretty much everything, guys. So go ahead and just claim your token. And that's all for today. See you guys on tomorrow's video. Peace out.